electrifying performance again, I would like to call upon Niharika, Anu, and Shubha for a fusion dance. With an applause, guys. Come on. You guys are losing steam. And to moving on to the next agenda, which is pretty much, what we have been all waiting for. I would like to thank all for making this event successful. Special thanks to our organizers over here and all the volunteers and the staff over here. Thank you so much. And without whom this event wouldn't have been possible. I would also like to make a special mention to our special guests over here, Mr. Raghavendra and Mr. Karthik. A round of applause to both of them and their support. Thank you so much. And again, without Nani, nothing would have happened. Thank you so much once again, sir. And thanks for taking your time on the weekend, attending this, town hall, and spending this time over here, and making sure that everything runs smoothly. Thank you so much, all. Have a fun evening. The food counter and the bar counter is open right now for everyone, so make yourself comfortable. Be responsible, drive safe, and have a happy weekend. Thank you so much.